Welcome to our video tour of contemporary-style living rooms. These living spaces are the epitome of modern elegance, characterized by pristine white walls and exquisite wooden decor. Imagine stepping into an oasis of freshness and eco-friendliness, where designer wooden coffee tables, armchairs, and decor elements seamlessly blend with the overall design. Each piece exudes sophistication and eco-consciousness, creating a harmonious atmosphere that's both stylish and environmentally responsible. Highlights of these living rooms is the thoughtfully chosen lighting fixtures that add a touch of cool sophistication to the space. These fixtures not only illuminate the room but also serve as works of art themselves, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Button and subscribe to our channel. Your support keeps us inspired to continue sharing the art of contemporary living. Vibrant accents are like strokes of artistic genius, creating a dynamic and visually appealing environment.